Welcome, it's Denome. This video is going to be a short update on my last video where I said that now is the time for altcoins, and I do still believe that. And when we take a look at total 2 here, you can see that the market cap of all altcoins together, excluding Bitcoin and stablecoins, is actually reaching new highs here once again. So even though we had this quick let's say 18% drop here, all of the losses have now been regained and altcoins are just bouncing back. And this is a very good time because as we are seeing more and more evidence that the retail investors are coming back to the market, which is of course going to be great for altcoins, as well as the other trend is that Bitcoin is exchanging hands, and a lot of the whales or big wallets have been selling Bitcoin. Funds have actually been accumulating Bitcoin, and therein basically is my mistake as well that I want to correct for this video. So in my last video, I showed you guys this chart here, which is the Bitcoin held by funds on bytetree.com terminal. And the problem here was that 2 days ago when I posted this video, the terminal only had information up until 6th of February. And because it was 6th of March, I had looked at the date wrong here. And I thought that was the date from 2 days ago, but this is actually a month old data here. So yesterday they actually updated the chart here, and as you can see, the current number is, or the date, the number on 24th of February here was 950,000 Bitcoin. So just a small mistake about 100,000 Bitcoin, which is a lot of, which is a huge mistake on my part. And then I went ahead and actually verified it on Quant, and here you can see the Bitcoin held by funds before the cliff started here was 702,000 Bitcoin, and now we're looking at a number of 500,000 Bitcoin. So the drop was 200,000 Bitcoin roughly, and when we take a look at the ETF inflow, the inflow up until March 5th is actually 376,000 Bitcoin. So a difference of 176,000 Bitcoin, almost 200,000 Bitcoin was in my previous video. So yes, the funds are definitely accumulating Bitcoin, and as you can see, the rate is just very steady. So we can expect this trend to continue because we are not seeing any change here at this pace. If anything, we are seeing a change in the pace where the money is exiting these GPTC fund. So this is slowing down. So all in all, what we can expect is basically Bitcoin to keep pushing to new highs. But old money from Bitcoin is already, we are seeing evidence of old money exiting hands. We saw a big whale had 1,000 Bitcoin in their wallet, selling Bitcoin just in a couple of last days. And basically a lot of people are rotating money over to altcoins as well. And that's one of the reasons why altcoins are pushing. The other trend is, of course, that retail investors are coming to the market. So for example, when we take a look at the search term from Google, we're looking at the search term altcoins, you can see that we're definitely picking up speed here, as well as when we take a look at Bitcoin, what we can see here is basically a similar chart. So right now we're looking at the number 42, and just in the last month, basically a lot of more interest, at least on search terms, have appeared here. So all in all, the retail investors are coming. Another evidence I just saw 6 hours ago is Chris Marszalek, who is the CEO of Crypto.com. He just posted that they just hired, or they are hiring 480 new customer service representatives to Crypto.com. So this is definitely more evidence that we are seeing more and more retail investors coming back to the market. And for that reason, Crypto.com also just made a promotion just 20 hours ago. And just want to let you guys know about this. I currently hold the IC White card, and I do have an affiliate link for Crypto.com. So if you want a free iPhone or a free MacBook, you can take advantage of this offer here. So if you get one of their card tiers, the green one or the white one, you get free money here. So if you get the green card, you get $800 worth of cash back if you buy Apple products. Or if you get the white card, you get up to $5,000 worth of cash backs. But this is only applicable for new customers, and at least as far as I know, it's not eligible for Great Britain. And the card tiers here, the white one you need to stake $40,000 worth of CRO, and for the green one you have to stake $4,000 worth of CRO. And if you use my affiliate code, which is denome, you will get $25 extra money as well. So if you were in the market of looking for these cards, this may be the great time to actually get it. And what else did I want to say about this? It's okay if you don't get it. And the downside for these cards or Crypto.com is that they do have a spread on the application. So whenever you change money there or change crypto, they will charge you a hidden fee that they don't really disclose. But the rate is not as good as if you were changing it on an exchange directly on yourself. So that's one of the downsides that Crypto.com has, but it is my go-to off-ramp. So whenever I make gains with crypto, I always transfer the money to Crypto.com card and I get the 3% cashback for every purchase. And with the Icy White card, you also get 8% APY on your CRO stake. So that's a nice amount of money that I get every week just by having this card. So I do like it. Some people don't like it, and I understand that these are a lot of money that you have to stake, but at least you can get 1/4 of the money back immediately almost whenever you do the stake right now. So if you want to do that, use the code denome for that. But that's pretty much it for this update. Nothing crazy. We're still looking at a lot of potential upside here, 40% until the all-time high of total 2, which is the market cap of all crypto in the market except Bitcoin and stable coins. So altcoins is definitely the play here in my opinion, but Bitcoin fundamentals are better than I expected from my last video. And yeah, that's it pretty much for this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks and bye bye.